This is a battle between Chennai Super Kings and Sunrisers Hyderabad held at M.A. Chidambaram Stadium, Chennai, India. Sunrisers won the toss and decided to field first. CSK opened their innings with Ruturaj Gaikwad and Rahan. Ruturaj scored 33 runs off 17 balls he faced, hitting 6 boundaries. However, the other end between them, Rahan and Daryl Mitchell, managed only 17 off 19 balls as Rahan fell for the 7th time to Bhuvaneshwar Kumar, while Mitchell managed only 6 off 7 balls he faced under the fielding restrictions. During the middle overs, the pair of Gaikwad and Mitchell pushed the foot on the pedal and welcomed Pat Cummins with a 6 each. With dew setting in, Shahbaz was taken for a pair of 4s by Mitchell and got to his maiden IPL 50 off 29 deliveries but fell to Unadkat 3 balls later. Gaikwad continued to set CSK up for the death overs, pulling Unadkat for a 6, hitting Bhuvaneshwar for a 6 and a 4 to move to 80 off 43. 2 4s of Cummins in the 16th over took Gaikwad to 89 off 46. Shivam Dubey also got going with a pair of 6s off Natarajan and then added another 6 and 4 off Cummins. Jaydev Unadkat sent down an excellent 19th over, giving away just 8 runs. A tiring Gaikwad mishit a slower ball to fall for 98. Dube managed another 6 before the end as CSK finished on 212 for 3. Sunrisers Hyderabad threatened a typically fast start when the first ball of the innings from Deepak Chahar was cut away for 4 by Travis Head. Tusha Pandey was hit for a pair of 6s in the next before the bowler hit back with 2 wickets, first Head and second substitute Anmopreet Singh. Aiden Markram got going with a couple of boundaries, but Deshpande picked up a 3rd in his next over when he had Abhishek and SRH ended the power play with a score of 53 for 3. During middle overs, CSK suffocated SRH's progress. They managed to go just over a runner ball over the 9 middle overs. Jadeja had Nitish Reddy miscuing a pull while Pathirana uprooted Markram's middle stump with a Yorker. Shardul Thakur used the wide line and bowled to the longer boundary, yanking hitters like Heinrich Klaassen and Abdul Samad out of shape in their attempt to hit out. Jadeja too operated as a medium pacer, finishing off his 4 overs with figures of 1 for 22. During death overs, Klaassen attempted to slog Pathirana and hold out to long on. Pat Cummins slogged Deshpande to long on to give the bowler a 4th wicket. Mustafizur picked up the final 2 wickets as SRH were bowled out with 7 balls, remaining with a score of 134. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. We will meet you in another episode.